In this video, we are going to show you how to save locations around your home or office. To save a location, you can either say, "Hey Temi, save this location as," or you can go into the Locations tab and tap Set New Location. To go to the location, all you have to do is say, "Hey Temi, go to," or you can tap on the location and Temi will autonomously navigate to the location. To delete locations, tap on the three dots at the bottom of the Locations tab and then tap Delete Locations. If you have multiple locations saved, you can put Temi into patrol mode. In this mode, Temi will automatically cycle between your saved locations. To enter patrol mode, go to the Locations tab, click the three dots at the bottom, and then tap on Patrol. To take Temi out of patrol mode, simply tap on the top interaction bar. For more helpful tips related to video calls or other features on Temi, be sure to subscribe to the Temi support channel or contact customer support for any further assistance.